Today we are going to see a new topic in energy simple machine, that is inclined plane, wedge and screw. First we go for a inclined plane. An inclined plane is a sloping surface which helps us to make our work easier. So we can easily rise even a heavy load up to a certain height using a inclined plane. It helps them in rolling heavy drums and rise others heavy loads onto a truck. A ramp is provided at the main gate of our house to push up the scooter easily. And ramps are provided in hospitals so that the wheelchairs and the stretchers of patients can be easily pushed from one floor to another floor. That's why the simple machine is also that's why the inclined is also a simple machine. Next we go for a wedge. Wedge is a simple machine that has a two or more inclined surface with taper either to form a sharp or a pointed edge. These wedges are generally used to split or purchase materials. Now, basic principle of wedge is to reduce the surface area so that the large pressure is created even on applying a small effort. So due to this large pressure, we can easily cut the material. Example of wedges are knife, axes, blocks are used by the farmers. All are the example. Pin, sewing needles, all are the example of wedges. Next, screw. A screw is a simple machine which appears like a nail but which have a spiraling grooves on its curved surface. A screw consists of a thread steel or a brass rod. One end of the rod is made narrow and pointed, that is called as a tip of the screw, and other end is made up of flat, that is called as a head. That is called as a head. When a screw makes one complete rotation, it advances the distance equal to the space between the two consecutive threads. That distance between the two consecutive threads is called pitch of the screw. It is take less effort to insert a screw into a wooden than a nail. The screw are used to fasten two pieces of wooden or a metal. The thread of the screw giving a more grip. That's why it holds the material very firmly or tightly, and the screw cannot be pulled out easily. Okay. Example, a car screw is used to pull out the car from a sealed bottle. A bit of electrical drill machine is also a screw and it is used to make a hole in a hard surface. And when we want to change the puncture tires, we are using a screw jockey. That is also one type of screw. Okay, up to this we are conclude and we will continue in the next class. Thank you.